Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. Okay, couple things. It is not against the law for your parents, your biological parents, to get visitor visas to come and visit you. The problem, first of all, is twofold. Uh, they are going to assume, and they being immigration, that your parents do not want to leave the United States to go back to India, and they'll want to stay here forever. They'll say they're getting older, they want you to take care of them, and they're going to have to prove that they do, in fact, intend on going back to India. Now, they may or may not be retired, they may or may not have assets, but they have to provide sufficient evidence that their intention is only to visit. Secondly, your parents may be under the mistaken, your biological parents may be under the mistaken belief that you're able to petition them since you're 21. And you may or may not be a oh, you are, sorry, you're a U.S. citizen. And that mistaken belief may translate into why the B2 gets denied, because they may have a true belief that you'll be able to petition them the moment they step onto U.S. soil, but that's not the case. They gave up the right for you to have any possibility of ever petitioning them once you were adopted. So it is impossible for them to be petitioned by you. So they can't use the B2 as a subterfuge to get to the US to allow you to petition them. Because the second thing that immigration is going to wonder is why they waited until you were 21 for them to come. Why not 18? Why not 19? Why not 20? Why 21? And for most U.S. citizen children who turn 21, they can petition their parents. It's no problem. It's an immediate relative petition. It's much quicker than many other types of petitions, but not in this case. So in case you're also under the misunderstanding, you cannot petition them. You can't have it both ways. That's the purpose of immigration law. And by both ways, I mean you can't become a U.S. citizen because you're adopted and that relationship allows you to become a U.S. citizen, and then turn around and use different people to petition them to become residents or citizens. So it has to be known at the outset that you cannot petition your biological parents anymore. Your parents have to know you will not be able to petition them. Both sides need to know that. And if that is clear, first of all, your parents may not want to come. I don't know. I don't know if their belief is that they can become residents by walking inside the U.S. But assuming that they still want to come, at least now they will have the attention. They really do just want to visit because they have no other choice. They can't become residents through you in any manner whatsoever. It doesn't mean that if they have other kids that they didn't put up for adoption, or if they have some other means, employment means, that they can't do that. They just can't get it through you. Okay?